Hey guys, Blues Across the Pond here, back with a quick update video. Sorry for the late upload time, but I've just read a couple of reports that Antonio Conte might be sacked. I don't really know why Chelsea would do that. Thomas Tuchel, former Dortmund manager, is set to be the successor. I really don't agree with this move at all. Antonio Conte has done so much for our club in such a little amount of time. He took us from arguably our worst season in club history 2 years ago to winning the title the very next year. He won the title in his debut season. That's not easy to do. He knows what he's doing. He's shown he knows what he's doing. He has a plan. We should stick with it. I don't know why we're thinking of firing him already when we're only 2 games into the season, which one of them was a victory against Tottenham at Wembley. Not really sure what the club is thinking. If we don't end up doing well this year, there's only one reason for that, and that's the board, not Antonio Conte. Antonio Conte had a plan. His plan would not have worked if he didn't sign new players throughout this past transfer window. This past transfer window has not been very good for us. We have not signed anybody that we really need except for Morata and maybe Bakayoko. If the Premier League and Champions League does not go well this season, the board should be blamed because the board did not provide Antonio Conte with the players that he needed to execute his plan. There's also been recent reports coming out that Jamie Vardy has signed for Chelsea and that the signings will go through on Friday. Why are we signing Jamie Vardy? We just signed Morata for 70+ mil. Antonio Conte has a plan with Morata. He fits Antonio Conte's playstyle. Why are we signing Jamie Vardy? I know we need to get our English player quota up because we play in England. We don't have Gary Cahill's like our only English player. But why don't we just sign Oxlade-Chamberlain? Oxlade-Chamberlain is English. He's a right wing back, and we need more depth in the right wing back position if we want to compete in the Premier League and Champions League this year. He's English. He gets the quota, and he will actually fill a position that we need. We don't need strikers. Batshuayi is a fantastic player. So he had a bad game, whatever, last week. Forget about it. It's at Wembley. It's tough. Not exactly easy. He's shown what he can do. He was a big signing last summer. We really haven't given him a fair chance. He scored the winner against West Brom last year in the very last game of the season, or I should say the last game before we won the title. He scored that goal to win us the title. We're forgetting that. He's done a lot for the club already, and he hasn't been given that many minutes. So I don't know why we're signing Jamie Vardy. Overall, if this goes through and we sack Antonio Conte, I'd be very, very, very disappointed in the club. That would just be the complete wrong move in the situation we're in right now. Because I think we're pointing fingers at the wrong person here. We should be blaming the board for not signing anyone that Antonio Conte wants to execute his new plan. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.